Carrie, and I'm at the National Hardware Show here in Las Vegas, and I have Dave at the Kelvin Tools booth. Dave, show us your neat little tool there.
Well, it's a good size tool. Kelvin 36. Snap action design. You got your magnets on there, so it's really easy to change the bits in and out. Just pop it in, you're ready to go. Got your light so you see where you're working. Got your level on top. 6-foot measuring tape. You have a light duty hammer. Out of the bottom comes a corkscrew. You have a bottle opener here. Open up the back. You have 26 different variations of bits because all these bits are double-sided, so two-sided bits. We also have a utility knife bit. It's magnetic. Goes in there as well. That's the Kelvin 36. It's a $49.99 retail item. It comes in a really nice gift box, all color coordinated, like so. Here's our red one.
And I've seen that they have a 10-year warranty, is that right?
Yes, they do, yeah. 10-year warranty for the Kelvin 36 and the Kelvin 23.
That is really cool. After 10 years, you shouldn't need them anymore, right?
Absolutely. It's all good.
Kelvin, where can a person go to find more information or to purchase one of these?
You can go to our website, kelvintools.com, and we're also listed quite a bit on Amazon as well.
That sounds great. Thank you, Kelvin.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.